TK. We're going to go ahead and get started with some math, and it's very exciting today because we are going to be finishing up our number studies book. We have our last two numbers today, 9 and 10, so let's jump right in and begin with 9. I'm going to get started by putting my name at the top, Miss O, and let's hop right into 9. So today our objective is what we are going to learn. I can trace, write, and show 9. And then we'll be doing the same thing for 10. So we're going to get started with 9. And let me tell you about number 9 here. For number 9, here is our rhyme. Make a circle, then a line. That is how you write a 9. So with number 9, we have a circle that starts at the top here and then goes all the way up and a line down. So let's do another one. Make a circle, then a line. That is how you make a 9. So you guys are obviously going to finish your tracing line all the way across here with your circles and your lines. And let's go ahead and jump down to the next line for our next step, which is to write it by ourselves. So we're going to do the same thing, starting up at the top. Make a circle, then a line. That is how you make a 9. So notice I did that all in one motion. I'm not lifting up my pen after I make the circle. I'm doing it all in one motion. Make a circle, then a line. That is how you make a 9. So make sure you're leaving your finger space here and go all the way across the lines. Okay, let's hop down to our next step. So here's 1, 2, 3, and step number 4. What goes into our box? So we are going to be drawing 9 things in our box right now. Let's think about what we want to draw today for 9. I think for 9, let's draw some, let's draw a classroom. So let's think about what things we have in a classroom. Sometimes we have desks, so I'm going to draw 4 desks because in our classroom we had 4 big tables. So there's 4 desks, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a clock. That's 5. We have a whiteboard. 6. We have a door. 7. And let's draw some windows. 8. 9. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I drew 9 things in my classroom. So now I can go down to my number line. Now, yesterday we were working on 8, so we're going to have to do 1 more than 8 to make 9. So let's go ahead and count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put a dot right over the 9, and then I get to go on to my 10 frames. Remember, in our 10 frames, we have 10 blocks, right? We have 10 boxes in our 10 frame, and we are going to be showing 9. So we're only going to have how many boxes left empty? Just one box left empty. So let's go ahead and get started with our 10 frame here. So I'm starting at the top left corner, coloring in my 1 box. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one wasn't super neat. I'm going to have to try a little bit harder to make sure it's neat. And halfway there, 5. Now we can see that we have the entire top row colored in. That's our 5. So now we need to go down to the second row. And remember, when we go down to the second row, we always have to come back and start on the left side. Some of us are still forgetting that we need to start on the left side when we go to the second row. So here I have 6. 7, getting closer. 8. And my last one for right now, 9. So if you notice, we just have one frame left, because remember, we are making 10 frames, and we got to 9, so we just have one more left. Now, I also want you guys to do your 10 page. I really want you to try and do it by yourself, because we've practiced all the way up to 9. And if you remember the number 10 here, we already know how to write both of these numbers that are in 10, a 1 and a 0, because we already did our 0 and our 1 page. So you already know how to write the number 10. You already know what to do for the rest of your page. And for your 10 frames, I wonder how many boxes you're going to fill in. Let's think about it. If you're working on your 10 page and there are 10 frames, you're going to be filling all your 10 frames in when you do your 10 page. So for today, go ahead, do your 9 page and then do your 10 page all by yourself. Turn them into me so I can see your number book all finished. And good luck!